Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how I make this cute pancake bear charm. The footage for the pancakes I sadly deleted, but here's on to how I make the bear. I make the bear by first making the body. I first make a ball and flatten one end, while the other end I make more narrow. For the head, I make a small ball and stick it onto place. I then make two smaller balls for the ears. For the mouth, I add a lighter shade of brownish pink. I then make the eyes and mouth by cutting small pieces of black clay. I then stick all this onto place. I also add in eyebrows and cheeks for the bear. To make the napkin, I cut out a triangle and stick it around the bear. I also cut out thin pieces of clay for the bow at the back of the napkin. I also use a silicone tool to make it look more like folds. To make the cutlery, I cut out the shapes of fork and a spoon and add detailing to give it a three-dimensional look. I then make the hands and legs by cutting out equal sausages from a roll of clay. Then I stick all this onto place. I also add in the fork and spoon too. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more such content.